Hey, welcome to Hidden Histories, Unearthed Stories from the Past. Today, we're journeying to ancient Africa to explore the remarkable yet often overlooked Kingdom of Axum. The Kingdom of Axum thrived from around 100 AD to 940 AD in what is now Ethiopia and Eritrea. Nestled along key trade routes, Axum was a major player in the ancient world. Axum's origins are shrouded in legend. According to myth, it was founded by the son of King Solomon and the Queen of Sheba. Historically, its rise was fueled by its strategic location, facilitating trade between the Roman Empire and India. Axum was a powerhouse. Its wealth came from controlling the Red Sea trade routes and trading in gold, ivory, and exotic animals. Axumite coins, among the first in Africa, featured inscriptions in Ge'ez and Greek, symbolizing its global connections. The Axumite powerhouse. The Axumites left behind a rich cultural legacy. They spoke Ge'ez, a language still used in Ethiopian liturgy today. Their art and architecture, especially the towering obelisks or stelae, showcase their advanced skills and religious beliefs. Around 330 AD, Axum embraced Christianity, making it one of the earliest states to adopt the religion. King Ezana's conversion marked a significant shift, and Axum became a hub of Christian learning and culture. Around the 10th century, Axum's influence waned due to environmental changes, shifting trade routes, and internal strife. However, its legacy endures in Ethiopia's rich history and culture. The Kingdom of Axum may not be as well known as other ancient civilizations, but its contributions to trade, culture, and religion are undeniable. Join us next time as we uncover more hidden histories from around the world.